Are you ready to discover the secrets airlines and airport security don't want you to know? We're diving deep into the hidden world of airport security, revealing 10 shocking changes that are happening right under your nose. Hey, it's Matt Parr, and here at Trip Expert, we help you travel worldwide. Get ready for a wild ride. Let's get started. Number 10, profiling reimagined, the illusion of objectivity. Stop believing outmoded training, manual stereotypes. Authorities deny profiling, yet a sophisticated kind of monitoring is alive and well in airport security. Airport staff are trained to notice behavioral indicators like nervous fidgeting, shifty eyes that dart across the room, avoidance of eye contact with staff, and even your clothing can draw attention. The focus has shifted from race, ethnicity, and background to looks and the intangible vibes you emit. Consider it subconsciously. Are you more likely to trust someone in sweats and a hoodie who seems disheveled or someone in a smart suit who exudes confidence and composure? These persistent, often unconscious biases can unfortunately affect who is marked for a more complete, perhaps intrusive investigation. Remember, even if you think you're acting normally, you can't know what security is searching for in the busy airport atmosphere. Small gestures, brief expressions, and even your temperament might cause an undesirable interaction. Perception seems crucial in airport security. Wear your natural face and hope for the best. Number 9, the Great Liquid Limit lie, a conspiracy of convenience in commerce. The annoying and seemingly random 100 milliliters liquid restrictions. Through inertia and financial incentive, they may be outmoded. Advanced technology, widely available and used, can assess liquid composition in seconds. Indeed, some airports have advanced scanning equipment that can tell if that bottle of shampoo is actually anything more sinister. Why are we still compelled to carefully decant our vital products into tiny, travel-sized containers following outdated regulations? Duty-free businesses earn lucrative money, which is one reason. These retailers are placed outside security checkpoints with the expectation that you'll abandon your full-size purchases and buy replacements after screening. It's a business model based on a planned inconvenience, a delicate balance between security and retail opportunity. They're making big money on a problem that can be remedied simply with accessible technology, raising questions about priorities. A conspiracy of convenience in business disguised as security. Number 8, not all luggage is created equal. The algorithm's unseen hand. Ever find yourself pondering why some bags glide effortlessly through the scanning process, seemingly untouched by human intervention, while others are subjected to the full gamut of security checks, opened, inspected, and scrutinized with painstaking detail? Machine learning is the hidden architect behind this seemingly random selection process. Advanced systems analyze your bag's contents based on the scans generated by X-ray machines and the intricate details contained within your booking information. Booked a one-way ticket, potentially raising suspicions of permanent relocation. Implemented a last-minute flight change, suggesting a potential element of urgency or concealment. Your bag might be automatically flagged for a more thorough examination. Even something seemingly innocent and innocuous, like carrying a conspicuously large amount of cash or packing certain types of electronics, could trigger a closer look from security personnel. So the items you pack and the way you book your flight can dramatically influence your luggage's journey through the complex labyrinth of airport security. The algorithm's unseen hand is constantly at work, making subtle decisions based on a confluence of data points, dictating which bags warrant closer inspection and which are allowed to proceed unhindered. Number 7, intentionally stalled travelers, a game of cat and mouse. Ever experienced the disconcerting feeling of being randomly selected for extra screening, only to be kept waiting an unreasonably long time, seemingly forgotten in the chaotic shuffle of airport security? It might not be as random as you initially suspect. If you happen to fit a particular profile, based on a combination of behavioral patterns, past travel history, or other risk indicators deemed relevant by security agencies, airport staff may intentionally delay your screening process. This subtle stalling tactic provides valuable time for authorities to conduct more in-depth background checks, gather additional intelligence from various databases, or simply observe your behavior more closely, scrutinizing your interactions and reactions. It's a hidden layer of surveillance, an invisible game of cat and mouse that you'd likely never suspect is unfolding behind the scenes. While ostensibly presented as a standard security procedure, the prolonged wait and heightened scrutiny serve a more strategic purpose, allowing security personnel to gather more information and assess your potential risk level. Number 6, your biometric data, passport to global surveillance. The perils of interconnected security networks. That seemingly innocuous facial scan or fingerprint you willingly provided at immigration control. It might not remain securely confined within your country's borders, protected by national laws and regulations. Many nations actively participate in data sharing agreements, collaborating and exchanging biometric data through interconnected security alliances, meaning your personal information could be circulating internationally, potentially accessible to a network of foreign governments and agencies. This exchange of information is of course presented under the guise of enhanced international security, but the potential for misuse, unauthorized access, or outright privacy breaches remains a significant concern. Passengers are rarely informed about the specific details of these data sharing agreements, leaving them largely unaware of the extent to which their biometric information is being used, with whom it is being shared, and where it may ultimately end up. The implications for personal privacy and data security are considerable. Number 5, Big Brother is watching post-security, the all-seeing eye in the terminal. Think you're finally safe, free from scrutiny, once you've successfully navigated the gauntlet of airport security? Think again. Airports are increasingly employing sophisticated surveillance technologies, including motion tracking cameras, and even the monitoring of your phone's Wi-Fi signal, to track your movements and analyze your behavior within the terminal. These advanced systems are designed to pinpoint your precise location, meticulously recording your movements and analyzing your patterns, identifying any potential anomalies or suspicious activities. Where are you heading to within the terminal? How much time are you spending browsing in various shops? Are you engaging in prolonged conversations with other passengers? It's a constant, unrelenting stream of data collection, ostensibly aimed at enhancing security and preventing potential threats, but it inevitably raises serious questions about the erosion of personal privacy and the potential for misuse of this information. Are we truly comfortable with the notion of being constantly tracked and monitored, every step we take within the confines of an airport terminal scrutinized and recorded for potential analysis? Number 4, the secret traveler. Risk score, an invisible scarlet letter. Imagine being assigned a secret security score, an invisible scarlet letter that silently dictates how you're treated at the airport, influencing every interaction with security personnel. It's not a dystopian science fiction movie, it's a tangible reality in many airports around the world. Government programs often utilize complex algorithms to assign you a risk rating based on a multitude of factors, including your travel history, past financial transactions, online activity, and even your presence on social media platforms. This opaque score, shrouded in secrecy, determines whether you're subjected to extra scrutiny, such as enhanced pat-downs, intrusive baggage searches, or prolonged questioning by security officials. The most troubling aspect of this system is that you have no idea what your score is, how it's calculated, or what specific factors are contributing to your perceived risk level. It's a hidden system that silently and subtly influences your entire travel experience, potentially leading to unfair and discriminatory treatment. Number 3, emotional scanners, reading your mind. The intrusion of physiological monitoring. Forget the clunky metal detectors of yesteryear. Next-generation body scanners are rapidly evolving, becoming increasingly sophisticated and technologically advanced. They can now detect subtle physiological indicators such as elevated heart rate, pupil dilation, increased body temperature, and even subtle changes in skin conductivity. These scanners are primarily designed to identify individuals who may be concealing weapons or explosive devices, but they can also inadvertently flag innocent travelers who are simply nervous, anxious, or experiencing the normal physiological responses associated with the stress of air travel. Being slightly stressed about an upcoming flight, or experiencing a surge of adrenaline as you navigate the crowded terminal, could, in theory, lead to you being flagged as potentially suspicious, which is, frankly, absurd. So try your best to remain calm and collected, even if you're secretly terrified of flying or running late for your connection. Number 2, AI knows you before you even pack. The pervasiveness of predictive analytics. Your travel history, meticulously recorded and stored in vast databases, is essentially an open book for airport security. Sophisticated algorithms analyze your booking patterns, travel frequency, preferred destinations, spending habits, and even your IP address to assess your potential risk level long before you even set foot inside the airport. Last-minute flight changes, unusual payment methods, a history of travel to countries deemed high risk by security agencies, or even the websites you frequent online can all raise red flags and contribute to your overall risk assessment. It's like having a digital profile that precedes you, influencing how you're perceived by security personnel and potentially triggering additional scrutiny. The power of predictive analytics is transforming the way airports approach security, allowing them to identify potential threats before they even materialize. Number 1, the facial recognition revolution, the dawning of a biometric age. Get ready to smile. Even if you're feeling stressed, tired, or generally unenthusiastic, facial recognition technology is rapidly becoming the dominant force in airports worldwide, transforming the way we travel and raising profound questions about privacy and security. These sophisticated systems use cameras to scan your face, creating a digital map of your unique facial features and matching it to official databases, streamlining the boarding process and verifying your identity with unprecedented speed and efficiency. In many cases, this process happens without your explicit consent or even your conscious awareness. Whether you're consciously aware of it or not, your face is essentially becoming your new passport, a biometric key that unlocks access to various stages of the travel process. It's undeniably convenient, but it also raises serious concerns about how this vast trove of biometric data is being stored, used, and potentially shared with various government agencies and private entities. The implications for personal privacy are immense. Now, if you want to track your trips and everywhere you've been, including cities, hotels, restaurants, and key travel stats of everywhere you've been, make sure to download Trip's app, which is completely free and available for both Android and iOS. Now check out this video on the screen if you want to discover how to travel the world for super cheap and how to potentially make money traveling. This is how I visited over 50 countries easily. Flying first class for cheap, it's basically a free course for doing this. I'll see you there.